Halloween is coming up and we are getting our costumes ready. This is a really great V For Vendetta style mask set you can get as a Halloween costume idea for you and a group of friends or your family. Of course, the original V For Vendetta mask is this one here in the white, but it looks really awesome in all the available colorways. I don't know where the rest of the masks in the original set that I got went, but I still have these two, and these two are my favorite anyways, which is why I held on to them so tightly. All the masks are made out of a thin plastic, and as you can see, they have a bit of styrofoam on the inside, so that they have a bit of a layer of separation from your face and the mask, so it's not like pressing very hard into your face, and you can wear them pretty comfortably. And this gold one just looks so cool and shiny and reflects light so well. Like, it is plastic, but you can see with the material they did a really good job, and it's really reflective and it looks like almost metallic at certain points. I guess you can wear it as kind of like a king or a final boss mask. So if you're looking for a Halloween costume idea that looks cool and is fun and affordable and great for yourself or your friends, your family, then pick up this V For Vendetta mask set and you're gonna be set for the next several years because you can just keep trading these costumes with each other.